What's up, my good people? Welcome to ICO Reviews. And today I'm reviewing Infracoins ICO. It focuses on the real estate and it says you can buy, you can sell, you can rent hotel bookings. Say Infracoin is a decentralized property listing ecosystem that will use blockchain technology to make the listing process less costly, more convenient, and secure. And they've raised over 42,000 US dollars. And the ICO start on the 10th of August. But before I continue further, please let me let you know this. Whatever I say in this video is strictly my personal opinion. So make your own decision. Let's go straight to business. Now the pre-sale is on 14th of July 2018 and round 1 is 10th of August and round 2 will start on 1st of September, round 3 1st of October, and the price for pre-sale is 70 cents, 80 cents for the round 1, round 2 is $1 and round 3 is $1.25. $1.25. Scroll down. This property expedition due diligence and financial valuation, booking hotel with INF. So if I coin, you can list property, they can book hotel and all the rest. Yeah. So I can also use the cryptocurrency to do that. So you can see what it's all about. Yeah. Now for the pre-sale, they are selling 5 million. Right, one is 5 million, round 2 is 10 million, and round 3 is 10 million. All the total will make it 30 million token they will be selling. Now this is the Infracoin IC roadmap, concept and idea started July 2017. That is last year, exactly like last year. Planning and conceptualization, market research, acquisition of partners and properties, prototype development, property listing, and hotel booking website. Smart contract testnet, smart contracts completed, VIP sales begin in July 2018. Started with ICO begins, and they are saying by January 2019 they will be listed on the exchange. So that is about say 5 months from now. And 2019 going to launch the official mobile app of the launch 2019 of February. So you see where we are unique. One stop shop for all commercial residential needs, renting, listing, and booking. These are the guys behind it. Jagdish Suvana, Bushshan Kadu, just like some Indian guys I see. Vanstan Sheslago, Adia, some. These are the guys. These are the advisors. Advisor. See them here. And this is the location. They are based in Malaysia. That is the address. So let's check the white paper put together, a 30 page. Let's see the team member here one after another. It is well put together, beautiful. You can see it here. So I encourage you to in your free time to go through the white paper. Make sure you read the white paper, knows what the white paper is all about. And note this 50 million token, that is in total. And I think with this 50 million token, it corresponds with the price of the ICO. It corresponds with the price. 50 million token is very, very low. It's very low. So sorry, let me check it out here well. That is it. 70 cents, 80 cents, $1. So with 50 million total supply, yeah, that is ideal for the price. Imagine if an ICO has 100 billion token and they're telling you it's $1. That is a sign that the price does not match with the circulating supply. So, but with this, that is okay. Let's check their Twitter, 4,203, and you can check all the formations they have on Twitter. And they're also available on YouTube. You can watch the videos they have here on YouTube one after another. Shoot the video. And their laser ranking, more visitors from India and from Ukraine. India, Ukraine. So now what is my final thoughts? I'm okay with this ICO, and I'm going to leave the link down below for you. You can sign up for the ICO. But please do not forget, anything I've said in this review is strictly my personal opinion. Do your own due diligence, make your own research, and you can sign up for the ICO. Thank you very much for watching. I love you guys. Thank you for supporting my channel. And before you go, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to bring more videos for you, more ICOs to be reviews for you. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.